Okay, today we are going to do the subtraction of fractions. I have already explained subtractions of fraction in my previous videos. Today we are going to do this exercises on the subtraction of fraction. First pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. What we need to do, first we need to do the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. We all know that. And then what we need to do? We need to work with the numerator now. 4 into 3 is 12. So we need to multiply 3 with 7. 7 into 3 is 21 minus 5 into 1. Because 12 into 1 is 12. So we need to multiply only 1 with the numerator. Because 4 into 3 is 12, we will multiply 3 with the numerator. So the answer will be 7 into 3 is 21 minus 5 into 1 is 5. Then we have 12. So 21 minus 5 will be 6. And 1 less than 2 is 1. So 16. 16 by 12 is the answer. Now what can we do? We can also divide both 16 and 12 by the same number, that is 4. So if we divide 16 by 4, it will be 4 4 is 16. We have 4 into 4 as 16 and 4 into 3 as 12. Then what can we do? We can divide this two numbers, 3 and 4. This gives the answer as 3 into 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 1 whole 1 by 3 is the correct answer. If we want to write it, we can write it in this way. 1 whole 1 by 3. This is the correct answer. Okay. Those persons who don't know how to do the LCM, I am showing you. Just a second. This is the correct answer. For those persons who don't know how to do the LCM, it's very easy. We just need to draw one line, one standing line, and one slipping line. Then we need to write the numbers which are there in the denominator, like we need to find out the LCM of 12 and 4. Both 12 and 4, we need to make such a number that can divide both these numbers, 12 and 4. Both 12 and 4 can be divided by 4. So we have 4. 4. Then we can divide this as 4 into 3 is 12 and 4 into 1 is 4. So 4, this two number 3 and 1 cannot be divided by any other number except 1. So we can write this as 4 into 3 into 1. 4 into 3 into 1. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 1 is 12. So the answer will be 12. The LCM will be 12. And what is the full form of LCM? The full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. In this way, we have to do all the sums. Okay. So see, number 2, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? It will be 6. It will be 6. So we can write it as 6. 6 into 1 is 6. We all know that. So 11 into 1 will be 11. And what else we have? We have 3. 3 into 2 as 6. And 2 into 2 as 4. So we need to multiply both the denominator and the numerator with the same number. See, in the last sum also we did the same thing. In this sum also we need to do the same thing. So 11 into 1 will give us 11. Minus 2 into 2 will give us 4. And obviously the denominator will be 12. Sorry, 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So the denominator will be 6 because the LCM was 6. So 11 minus 4 is 7. We have 7 by 6. 6. Since 7 and 6 cannot be divided by any other number, we just have to write it as 6 and 7. We need to divide it, convert it into a whole number and write it, or a mixture fraction. 7 minus 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer will be 1 whole 1 by this 1 whole 1 by 6. So this is the answer of this question, number 2. Then solve number 3 and then pause my video, solve number 3 and then check it with mine. So what will be the answer of number 3? It will be, what is the LCM? LCM will be obviously 21. So 7 into 3. We have 7 into 3 and 13 into 3. Then what can we do? Minus 21 into 1 and what we have? 5 into 1. See, the numerator and the denominator will be multiplied by the same number. Here also we have 3, here also we have 3. Here also we have 1, here also we have 1. So that makes the answer as 13 into 3 is 39. Then we have 7 into 3 is 21. Then again we have 5 into 1 as 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 21 into 1 is 21. So 39 by minus 5 will be how much? 34 by 21. 34, then we have 21. Then which is the next sum? Number 4. Oh no, we have another step remaining. Let's see, can we divide it by any other number? No, it cannot be divided by the same number. So we need to divide it. 21 and 34. This gives us 1 as in 21. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 3 is 1. So we have 1 whole 13 by 21. 1 whole, then we have 13. Then we have 21. Okay. This is the correct answer. So number 4 is also, number 3 is done. Now we will move to number 4. Pause my video, give your own answer, then check with mine. Number 4. See, what is the LCM number for number 4? It is 8. So we have 8 as the LCM. Both the numbers are 8, so we need not to multiply anything, or we can multiply 1, which will give us the same answer. 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. And 8 divided by 8 will give us the answer as 1. 8 by 8 is equal to 1. So, this is the answer coming. Number 15, we have 12 by 5 and 11 by 20. In the same way, we have to first find out the LCM. What is the LCM? Number 5, the LCM is 20. So 5 into 4, that will give us also 12 into 4. Then we have minus 11 into 1. Then again 20 into 1. That is equal to 12 into 4 is 48 minus 11 divided by 20. The answer will be equal to 37 divided by 20. Obviously, 37 and 20 cannot be divided by the same number. So what we need to do? Divide 20 and 37, which will give the answer as 1 whole 17 by 20. 1 whole 17 by 20. So this is the answer. Number 5. Then we have number 6. Solve number C. Pause my video, solve number 6 and then check it with mine. Number 6, what is the LCM? First we need to calculate the LCM. It will be 30. So we have 10 into 3 as 30. And both the numerator and the denominator will be multiplied by the same number. So 13 into 3 minus we have here 30 into 1 is 30. So 7 into 1 is 7 into 1 will give us the correct answer, equal to 13 into 3 is 39. 39 minus 7. Then we have 30. So 39 minus 7 will be equal to 32. 32 divided by 30. 32 divided by 30. Both of this number can be divided by 2, equal to 16 divided by 15, which gives us the answer as, when we divide 15 and 16, the answer will be 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. So the correct answer will be 1 whole 1 by 15. 1 whole 1 by 15. Now the next one. This is number 6. It's done. Now number 7. Number 7, do the sum by yourself. First pause my video. Do the sum by yourself. Then check it with mine. Number 7, what is the LCM? Obviously the LCM is 45. Let me tell you guys the shortcut of finding the LCM. If you see there is a bigger number and a smaller number can directly get that number. That is, the smaller number can directly divide that number and there is no remainder, then the bigger number is the LCM. For example, 9 into 5 is 45. We all know 45 can be divided by 9 directly. So 45 is the LCM. So first what we need to do, 9 into 5 is 45 and we have 45 into 1. So what we need to do, 14 into 5 is, we need to find out 14 into 5 how much? Minus we have to do 13 into 1. So equal to 14 into 5 is how much? 70. 70 minus 13. 70 minus 13 divided by 45. 17 minus 13 is equal to how much? 0 minus 3 is 7 and what we have? 7 minus 1 is 5. 57 by 45. So when we divide 45 and 57, what is the answer coming? It is 45 into 1 as in 57 minus 45. 57 minus 45 will give us the answer as 13. No, 12. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 whole 12 by 45 is the correct answer. See, both 12 and 45 can be divided by 3. So if we divide both 12 and 45 by 3, then what will be the answer coming? 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. So 1 whole 4 by 15 is the correct answer. 4 and 15 cannot be divided by the same number. So this is the correct answer. Number 7 is done. Now number 8. Pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. Number 8. What will be the LCM? It will be 35. Then what we have? The LCM will be 35. So 7 into 5 is 35. And 35 into 1. 35 into 1. Now what else? 12 into 5. 12 into 5 and minus 22 into 1. Then what is the answer coming? 12 into 5 is 60 and 22 into 1 is 22. So 60 minus 22. Give the answer as, the denominator is 35. So 22 minus 60 is how much? 60 minus 22 is 18. 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 38. 38 by 35. So if we divide 35 and 38, what is the answer coming? 35 and 38 is 1. 38 minus 35 is equal to 3. So we have 1 whole 3 by 35. So this is the correct answer. Then what else? Number 8 is done. Then we need to check number 9. Number 9, please pause my video, give your own answer and then check it with mine. Number 9. What we need to do first, we need to find out the LCM. Since both the numbers are same, the LCM will obviously be 20 and 37 minus 7 will be how much? 30. So 30 by 20 is equal to 3 by 2. The answer will be 3 by 2. So if we divide both 3 and 2, what is the answer coming? 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 1 whole 1 by 2 is the correct answer. 1 whole 1 by 2. 1 whole 1 by 2. This is the correct answer. So let's go to the next one, number 10. Number 10, pause my video, give your own answer and then check it with mine. Number 10, what is the LCM? The LCM is 35. So 7 into 5 is 35. And what we have? 35 into 1. 35 into 1. Both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by the same number. So 12 into 5. And what we have? Minus 22 into 1. 22 into 1, that will give us the answer as 60 minus 22. 60 minus 22 is how much? Let's find out. 60 minus 22. And LCM will be 35. So 0 minus 2 is, obviously it will be 8. 0 minus 2 is 8. Then what we have? Sorry. 0 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 3. Because we have taken 1 from 6 to make this 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And we have taken 1 from 6. So 6 will become 5. 5 minus 2 will be 3. And the denominator will be 35. So now 35 divided by 38 divided by 35 will give us the answer as 35 into 1 is 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 1 whole 3 by 35. 1 whole 3 by 35 is the correct answer. 1 whole 3 by 35 is the correct answer. Now number 11. We need to go to number 11 and solve it. But before that, please pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. 18 into 18 and 3. So the LCM will be obviously 18 because 3 into 6 is 18. So 18 into 1 and 41 into 1. 41 into 1. Then we have minus 2. 2 into how much? 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So 2 into 6. And here 3 into 6. Then 41 into 1 is 41. Minus 6 into 2 is 12. Then we have 18. 18. Then 41 minus 12 will be how much? 1 minus 2 is, since 1 is lesser than 2, so 1 we will take it as 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Then we will take 1 from 4. So 4 will become 3. We have already taken 1 from 4 to make this 11. So 4 will become 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 29 by 18. Now what else we need to do? We just need to divide 29 and 18. See, we have done this. Then 18 and 29 needs to be divided. That will give the answer as 8 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 whole 11 by 18 is the correct answer. 1 whole 11 by 18. This is the correct answer. So number 11 is done. Now pause my video. Give your own answer, then check it with mine. Number 12. Number 12, what we need to do? We need to first find out the LCM. The LCM will be 16. So if the LCM is 16, then 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. And 15 into 4. 15 into 4. Minus what we have? 7 into 1. 7 into 1. And 16 into 1. 16 into 1. Now equal to, the LCM will be 16. 15 into 4 is 60 minus 7. Then what we have? Equal to 53 by 16. What we have? 53 by 16. Then what we need to do? 16 and 53 needs to be divided, which will give the answer as 16 into 3 is 48. 3 minus 8 is 5. And the answer will be 3 whole 5 by 16. 3 whole 5 by 16. So this is the correct answer. Then what we have? Number 13. Number 13, what we need to do? What is the LCM? The LCM is 20. So 5 into 4 and 11 into 4. Then we have minus 17 into 1 and 20 into 1. So what is the answer coming? The answer will be 11 into 4 is 44. Minus 17 into 1 is 17. And the denominator is 20. Denominator is 20. So 14 minus 17 will be equal to 14 minus 17 will be equal to, sorry, 44 minus 17. I'm so sorry. 44 minus 17, 4 will become 14. 7 minus 14 is 7. Then we have to take 1 from 4. That will make it 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 27 by 20 is the answer which needs to be broken down into the mixed fraction, which needs to be made into the converted into the mixed fraction. So 27 divided by 20 is 27 minus 20 is 1 whole 7 by 20. So 1 whole 7 by 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Number 14. Number 14, what is there? Pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. Number 14, we have the LCM as 32. So 32 into 1 and 39 into 1. Since both the denominator and the numerator, we have to multiply with the same number. So 39 into 1 and 32 into 1 minus 7 into 8 into 4 is 32. We all know. So 7 into 4. We need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So the answer will be equal to, the answer will be, the denominator will be 32. And in the numerator we have 39 minus 28. 39 minus 28 equal to 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And what else do we have? So sorry, just a second. Nine minus 8 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 11 by 32. So this is the answer. Then what's number 15? Number 15, what we need to do? We just need to find out the LCM. First pause my video, find out your own answer, then check it with mine. Number 15, it will be, the LCM will be 15, that is 15 into 1 will give us 15 and 36 into 1. 36 into 1. Then minus we have 2 into 3. 2 into 3 and 5 into 3. 5 into 3. So equal to, it will be 15. 36 into 1 is 36. Minus we have 6. So 36 minus 6 is how much? 30. 30 by 15. Sorry. It will be 30 by 15. So divide 30 and 15. Both 30 and 15 can be divided by the same number. So it will be 30 and 15. If we divide it by 15, the answer will be 2. Then number 15 is done. Now we go to number 16. So 2 is the correct answer for number 15. Number 16, what we have? The LCM will be as usual 14. So 14 into 1 and what else? 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Then again 41 into 1. 41 into 1 and 3 into 2. 3 into 2. So we have the LCM is 14. So we will keep the denominator as 14 and the numerator will be 41 minus 6. That is equal to 35 by 14. 35 by 14. So if we divide both 14 and 35, what is the answer coming? 2. So 28 minus 35 is 7, and 3 and 2 it is 0. So 2 whole 7 by 14 is the correct answer. 2 whole 7 by 14 is the correct answer. Now what we need to do, we can divide both same and 14 with the same number. So the answer will be 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So 2 whole 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Now let's go to number 17. Number 17, you all pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. What will be the LCM? As usual, the LCM will be 42. So 7 into 6 is 42. And what else we have? 11 into 6. 11 into 6. And rest is minus 23 into 1. 23 into 1 and 42 into 1. 42 into 1. So what we have now? See, 42 we will write it as 42 only. The denominator, since the LCM is 42. Then 11 into 6 is 66 minus 23. So 66 minus 23 is how much? 66 minus 23. 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 4, 3. And 42. We have 42. So 42 divided by 43 will be equal to 1. 43 minus 42 will be 1 whole 1 by 42. 1 whole 1 by 42. So number 17 is done. Then we can do number 14. What is the correct answer? 1 whole 1 by 42. This is the correct answer. So the next one, number 18. Let's do number 18. Number 18, what we have? Pause my video, give your own answer, then check it with mine. We have 21 as the LCM. So 7 into 3 and 20 into 3. 20 into 3 minus what we have, 16 into 1 and 21 into 1. 21 into 1. So equal to, it will be 20 into 3 is 60 minus 16. Then 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 1 is 21. Equal to, denominator will be 21. Then 60 minus 16 will be 0 minus 6 will be 4. And 6 minus 1 will be 4. Because 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 is 6. So 44 by 21. In this way, you can check your answer whether it is correct or not. If there is subtraction, just add 44 and 16. If the answer is 60, then it is the correct answer. So now what we need to do? 21 divided by 44 into 2, it will be 42. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 whole 2 by 21 is the correct answer. 2 whole 2 by 21 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Now number 19. Number 19. 10 and 20, what is the LCM? 20 is the LCM. Then we have 10 into 2, that is 43 into 2 minus 11 into 1. Then what can we do? We can again do it in the same way. That is 43 into 2 is 86. 86 minus 11 into 1 is 11 divided by 20. So it will be 86 minus 11 is 6 minus 1 is 5 and 8 minus 1 is 7. That is 75. 75 by 20 we have. Now what we need to do? We need to divide it with the same number. So if we divide it by 5, what is the answer coming? Both 75 and 20 by 5, it will be 15 and it will be 4. 20 divided by 5 will be 4. So if we divide 4 and 15, then what is the answer coming? Since they cannot be divided anymore, we are just dividing it. 4 and 50 will be 4 into 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3 whole 3 by 4 is the correct answer. 3 whole, we have 3 by 4. 3 whole 3 by 4 is the correct answer of number 19. Then we have number 20. What we need to do for number 20, first solve your own sum, then check it with mine. Number 20, the LCM of 8 and 32 is 32. 8 into 4 and 25 into 4. 25 into 4. Then we have minus 17 into 1. Then we have 32 into 1 equal to, the LCM is 32. And what is the numerator? The numerator is 25 into 4, that is 100. Minus 17 into 1 is 17. Then equal to, LCM will be 32. And 100 minus 17 will be 7 minus 0 is 3. Then what we have? 0 will become 9 because we have taken 10 for this one. 0. So 7 minus 10 is 3. Then 10 minus 10, if we cut 10 and decrease it by 1, it will become 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So 83 plus 17 is 100. So now what else? We need to just divide this two numbers, 32 and 83. So 83 and 32, if we divide it, it will come to then 64. Then 3 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 6 is 1. Because 1 has been taken from 8 to make it 7. So it will be 1. So 2 whole 19 by 32. 2 whole 19 by 32 is the correct answer. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe my video and press the bell icon so that before anyone else, you all can enjoy my video. Bye everyone. We'll meet you again the next day with another nice video.